These new forms of malware rewrite their code to avoid detection, which means traditional antivirus tools don't always recognize them in time. Modern AI-generated malware doesn't just infect files, it can automatically modify its own code to evade detection. If it detects scanning behavior or a sandbox environment, then it alters its structure before executing. And that happens faster than signature-based antivirus can keep up. If your security software relies only on known virus fingerprints, then it's always playing catch-up. This type of behavior is called polymorphic malware. It changes its code so it appears different each time it spreads. And that's where behavioral detection comes in. Instead of looking for known code, it looks at what a program is actually doing and flags suspicious activity in real time. Here's a simple way to picture this. Old antivirus software is like a human security guard holding a printed most wanted poster. If a criminal shows up in disguise, the guard doesn't recognize them and lets them walk right in. That's the old method known as signature-based detection. TotalAV's AI engine works more like a robotic guard. It monitors behavior rather than just focusing on appearances. So if someone walks in dressed like a delivery driver but suddenly reaches for a crowbar, well, then the system reacts immediately and shuts them down before damage is done. That's behavioral detection, so let me show you how it holds up. Inside the TotalAV dashboard, real-time protection is enabled by default. TotalAV licenses Avira's anti-malware engine and combines it with advanced cloud-based machine learning. So suspicious files are being analyzed in real time using continuously updated threat models from the cloud. And that's how modern antivirus keeps up with AI-driven threats. Instead of relying on known signatures, the engine monitors what programs are actually doing. It watches for things like unauthorized encryption attempts, abnormal process injections, or unexpected registry changes, the kinds of behavior that ransomware and polymorphic malware rely on. In our lab test, we ran ransomware simulations and compressed malware samples. When we attempted to execute a ransomware simulator, TotalAV blocked the encryption process before any files were locked. It responded to the activity itself rather than waiting for a database match. And that's critical for zero-day attacks. Zero-day malware hasn't been cataloged yet. And if your antivirus only recognizes known threats, then it won't recognize something that's brand new. Behavioral detection allows TotalAV to stop the attack before it fully executes. TotalAV's detection rate averaged around 99.6% in independent testing, and that's really strong, though not perfect. More importantly, during testing, the real-time engine stopped malicious behavior before it could cause damage. And in practice, that's what matters most. Now, there's one concern people always have when they hear AI-powered antivirus. If this thing is running machine learning models in real time, then won't it slow down my computer? And honestly, that's a fair question. AI-driven threat detection sounds like it would require a lot of computing power, but here's the twist. TotalAV handles it completely differently. It offloads most of the heavy analysis to its cloud servers, so your device handles monitoring while the more complex detection happens remotely. In testing, full system scans didn't cause noticeable CPU spikes, and everyday use remained pretty smooth. This AI-driven protection shouldn't noticeably impact system performance. To get the best available first-year discount on TotalAV that I mentioned earlier, be sure to use the link down in the description. We keep it updated with the latest offers, and using that link helps support all of this content without any extra cost to you. And if you've run into an AI-generated phishing scam or have questions about cloud-based protection, then feel free to leave those down in the comments as well. And if you want a more hands-on cybersecurity test like this, then subscribe so you don't miss our next review. But as always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.